Hi, I'm Jazmin Locke-Rodriguez. I'm the founder of Phytoflora by Thumb Strategies, where we are turning potent pollutants into nature-based products. We are using productive floating wetlands to grow valuable crops like cut flowers that help remediate nutrient pollution in our local waterways. The harvesting of these flowers help ensure that we are remediating as much as possible from the water while creating a sustainable revenue stream to support the process and operation. Seaworthy has provided us so much support as an early startup, being there from week to week, being able to talk to both Tamara and Daniel as co-founders, as a service, and they've been there for me in the most authentic way that I could have asked for, and really growing with us as we're figuring out what our next steps are on even a week-to-week basis. A highlight of this experience for us has really been connecting with folks in the blue tech community, specifically other founders and an ecosystem who are truly invested in seeing water restored to the health it deserves to be. One word I would use to describe this experience is truly authentic. I believe that not only the Seaworthy has been here and present every step of the way, but all the founders who've been a part of this cohort with me have been incredibly passionate about their work and really present again in learning what's going to help us achieve the goals we are setting out for ourselves.